You know how much I love our Ooni pizza oven. It is our party showpiece. And do you know what's a great way to round off a pizza party? A dessert pizza. I do have a pizza dough recipe, but for this I did actually use the box kit. I used the Neapolitan one, and you know what? Blooming marvellous.
Once you've rolled your pizza dough out to normal pizza shape, it's into the Ooni oven at 400 degrees centigrade.
A lot of people ask me whether to go for the wood fire or the gas. I'll be honest with you, ours does both, and since we hooked it up to gas, we haven't used anything else.
Top tip to keep that lovely soft middle for your topping, we want to add on some ice cubes. This means you'll get a crispy base and sides, but a little bit of softness for your topping to go onto. And then we're going to slather on a load of Nutella or Biscoff spread or whatever sweet, delicious spread you fancy. Then it's on with the marshmallows. Oh, get them gorgeously golden. And then you may as well be singing around the campfire because it is time to tuck in to the ultimate dessert pizza.
Think of the family fun of this pizza. That stringy marshmallow, that oozy chocolate, and that crispy base. Oh!